Once again, ini-invite po namin lahat ng kids para mag-join sa ating games for today. Alright, dito tayo sa practice. Wow, excited ang ating mga kids. Alright, kids, when I say hep, hep, you shout hooray. Hep, hep. Wow. Alright, bago tayo mag-start, kids, let me introduce my event team. I'm Ate Mitch, your host for today, together with Ate Liza. Say hi kay Ate Liza, and syempre, kids, meron tayong guest nang galing pa po siya ng Japan. Alright? Everybody say hi to our Lala Chan! Wow, ang energetic ng mga kids. Alright, kids, sabi ni Lala Chan, bago tayo mag-start, mag-warm up dance muna tayo. Alright? Lahat po ba kayo mahilig mag-dance? Alright, ituturo ni Lala Chan, kids, kung paano yung step. Paano yung first step, Lala Chan? Alright, clap, 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 and clap. And the second step, stop, 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 stop. Alright, mabilis lang, okay, kids? Madali lang po ang step. Ngayon po, with music po. Ate Liza, music, please. Alright, clap. Smile. Okay. Alright, sing with me, kids. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Kaya naman. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. And wave. Alright, we will say hooray, kids. Hooray. Okay, move backward and sit down. Okay, very good. Yung mga kids natin, Lala Chan. Sit down tayo, kids. Mag-sit down tayo kasi ipapaliwanag na namin kung paano. 2, here is team B. Alright? Okay, and 3, 2, 1, jump! Sabi ni jump! Alright, babawi ang team B. Falling TV.
I'm a fireball.
Ano?